this color chain, you need your card case. Okay, so you need your card case, and the lid on the side you just fold in. Okay, so this is all you need. And you start with a take double leaf and put it face up on top of your deck like this. So this is double, and of course you can do any double leaf that you know. Okay, so you just take double leaf and put it face up on your deck. Okay, after that you can take out your card case, and you can showing that your card case empty. There's nothing you hide on this case. Okay, after that you just close and place it the part right here. Okay, like this. And when you do this, okay, this is the secret move. First you just leave, okay, the top card like this, so there's a gap right here, and we just insert the top card on your card case. Okay, you just insert it. Okay, of course with this position. Okay, you just insert. Okay, so right now the top card is already inserted to your card case. Okay, it's just the part right here. Okay, secretly when you do like this, okay, you just insert. After that, bend it. Okay, bend it, and you come back and showing like this. And after this, the chain will take automatically. All you do is just rub down, so the top card will automatically insert to the card case, and this is what happened. Okay, so basically the top card is insert to the card case. Okay, so one more time here. Okay, remember you start from here and you simply rub down, and after that you can show that the card is visually changed. Okay, after that you continue until the top card is completely put insert into the card case. After that you switch over like this, and you can hand out the final card. So one more time. First, take double leaf. Okay, put it face up on top of your deck. Okay, double leaf. Just reach out your card case, showing that's empty. Okay, close. Okay, hold like this, face like this, and you just remember insert the top card into the card case. Okay, when your top card is already inside, you just showing like this. Okay, and rub down. You can do it slowly. Okay, at this point you can showing like this, or a little bit sideways like this. Okay, so here you rub down and show like this. Okay, this is the card chain. If you want it, you can reverse. Okay, and rub down again, but do not do this move. Okay, it's too obvious. Okay, so just rub down. Just when you touch the bottom, you can come back again and rub down again. After that, okay, so your top card right now is inside your card case. You can switch over and you can hand out the final card. Okay, and to do the cleanup, remember this is your top card is already inside. So when you hand out, you just insert your thumb into your card case. Okay, pull the card inside the card case and just do like this. Okay, so after you do the chain, okay, remember after you do the chain, okay, you do the complete chain, you just reach over, okay, and secretly put your thumb inside your card case, and you just pull out. Okay, you just pull out the top card. At the same time, you just hand out this to your audience. Okay, and at this point you are completely clean. The final card can be checked out, and the card case also can be checked out.